Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming both apps are updated and you are signed into the correct Instagram and Facebook accounts. Once done, open Instagram and tap your profile because the next steps require account access. Make sure you know whether you want a link to a personal profile or a Facebook page. The choice affects permissions. If prompted, re-authenticate with Facebook credentials so permissions can be granted. Doing this now prevents errors in the next configuration steps. You tap Settings Account Sharing to other apps and select Facebook to begin linking. This is where you accept permissions. Once connected, choose whether to link to a personal profile or a managed Facebook page. Pick a page if you want page-level analytics and add tools. After linking, set default sharing toggles for feed, stories, and reels so posts auto-share when you create them. Make sure to review the permission list. Denying key permissions can block cross-posting. You finish by posting a quick test story or feed post and confirm it appears on Facebook. This verifies the connection and sharing defaults. If the post doesn't show, return to the sharing settings to re-authenticate or switch the linked page/profile, because role permissions often block posting. If issues persist, clear app cache or reinstall both apps and check that you hold admin/editor role on the Facebook page. Remember, unlink and relink as a simple fix when permissions get stuck.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.